Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pocket knives available on the market right now for their true quality. Whether you're looking for an EDC utility knife, a rugged outdoor option, or something sleek for your collection, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops folding knife. This tactical knife is designed for those who need reliability and precision in their everyday carry. With an overall length of 7.1 inches and a 3.1-inch blade, it strikes a good balance between portability and functionality. The blade is made from 7CR17 MOV black oxide stainless steel, which offers decent edge retention and corrosion resistance for its price point. The black aluminum handle not only looks sleek, but also provides a lightweight build, making it easy to carry without feeling bulky. In terms of performance, the ambidextrous thumb knobs and finger flipper make deployment incredibly smooth, while the liner lock ensures the blade stays secure during use. It also features serrations for cutting through tougher materials, making it versatile for both tactical and everyday tasks. The addition of jimping further enhances grip and control, especially during precision work. However, at 3.5 ounces, it's slightly heavier than some competitors in its category, which might be a consideration for ultralight EDC enthusiasts. Overall, this knife offers solid durability, dependable usability, and a limited lifetime warranty, making it a good choice for budget-conscious buyers who want a tactical edge. However, it's worth noting that the blade steel isn't as premium as higher-ranked knives on this list. Pros include its rugged build and multi-purpose design, while cons include its slightly heavier weight and less refined blade steel compared to premium options. At number 4, we have the Gerber Gear EAB Lite pocket razor knife, which is the budget-friendly option in this lineup. Priced at just $13.98, this knife offers incredible value for money. Its standout feature is the replaceable utility razor blade, which is ideal for tasks like cutting boxes, slicing rope, or trimming materials. The slim stainless steel handle doubles as a money clip, making it a compact and multifunctional tool for everyday carry enthusiasts who value convenience and efficiency. The design is minimalistic and sleek, with a total length of 5.1 inches and a lightweight build at just 2.2 ounces. Despite its small size, the knife feels sturdy and reliable. The liner lock mechanism ensures safety during use, and the ambidextrous design allows for easy deployment. While it excels at utility tasks, it's not geared toward heavy-duty jobs or outdoor survival scenarios. The contractor-grade razor blade is easily replaceable, further adding to its practicality for tradesmen, hunters, and anyone who needs a quick and sharp cutting tool. While the Gerber EAB Lite is incredibly affordable and functional, it lacks the versatility and premium materials of higher-tier pocket knives. Pros include its low price, replaceable blade, and compact design. Cons include limited blade durability and lack of features for more demanding applications. This is the ideal knife for someone looking for a simple, reliable utility knife without breaking the bank. Taking the number 3 spot is the CIVIVI Praxis Flipper Liner Lock Knife, a standout option for those who appreciate premium materials and smooth operation. With a 3.75-inch black stonewashed blade made of 9CR18 mauve steel, this knife offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and collectors alike. The ergonomic Kuborsha wood handle is lightweight yet sturdy, providing a comfortable and secure grip during use. One of the highlights of the Praxis is its ball-bearing pivot system, which ensures buttery smooth opening. Whether you're using it for piercing tasks or slicing, the thin, sharp point blade delivers impressive performance across the board. The The reversible deep carry pocket clip allows for discreet portability, despite the knife's larger size. At 3.99 ounces, it's slightly heavier than compact options, but it carries exceptionally well in the pocket. The CIVIVI Praxis is a great all-around choice for everyday carry or as part of a collection. Pros include its premium materials, smooth deployment, and ergonomic design. Cons include its slightly larger size, which may not appeal to those who prioritize ultra-compact knives. It's perfect for anyone seeking a high-quality knife with a touch of sophistication. Coming in at number 2, we have the Spyderco Tenacious Lightweight EDC Folding Utility Knife. Spyderco is known for its innovative designs and high performance, and the Tenacious is no exception. This knife features a 3.39-inch 8CR13 MOV stainless steel blade, which provides excellent cutting power and edge retention while maintaining ease of sharpening. The flat grind makes slicing effortless. Whether you're tackling outdoor tasks or everyday cutting needs, the lightweight FRN, fiberglass reinforced nylon, handle reduces the overall weight by 12% compared to earlier models, while still offering a secure and comfortable grip. Spyderco's signature round hole and textured spine jimping make blade deployment smooth and precise, ensuring slip-proof control. The versatile 4-way pocket clip allows you to customize your carry position. Whether you prefer tip-up or tip-down, left-handed or right-handed draw, with its balance of durability, performance, and portability, the Spyderco Tenacious is an excellent choice for EDC enthusiasts who want a lightweight yet high-performing knife. Pros include its cutting power, lightweight design, and customizable carry options. Cons include its blade steel, which, while reliable, isn't as premium as higher-end Spyderco models. This knife is perfect for anyone looking for a dependable EDC tool with a thoughtful design. And finally, at number 1, we have the Kershaw Clash Black Serrated Pocket Knife. This knife truly earns its top spot as the premium option on our list, priced at $46.95. Its 3.1-inch partially serrated blade is made from 8CR13 MOV steel, which delivers excellent edge-holding capability, strength, and hardness. The drop-point blade design is versatile, while the serrations make it easy to tackle fibrous materials like rope or seatbelts. The blade's black oxide coating enhances both aesthetics and performance by adding a layer of corrosion resistance. The glass-filled nylon handle is contoured for a secure and comfortable grip, making it ideal for extended use. The knife also features Kershaw's assisted opening mechanism, which allows for quick, one-handed deployment using the built-in flipper. The liner lock ensures the blade stays securely in place during use, offering peace of mind for demanding tasks. At 4.3 ounces, it's slightly heavier than ultralight models, but the robust build quality more than compensates for the added weight. The Kershaw Clash is a fantastic all-purpose utility knife that excels in both everyday carry and work-related applications. Pros include its premium blade steel, ergonomic handle, and assisted opening feature. Cons are minimal, with the slightly higher weight being its only drawback for some users. This knife is perfect for anyone seeking a high-performing, durable tool that can handle just about anything you throw at it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.